floor needs some oil for this one.
Down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, peeps? Welcome back to my channel. First, I wanna say thank you to the 157 persons who have subscribed to my channel. It's crazy how I got that number, to be honest. I had to direct message approximately 2,500 persons on my social media with 150. That's less than what? 10%, but anyhow, I appreciate it. Today, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I know I say it all the time. Some of these exercises might seem a little bit girly, but I think they're still good for the abs. So let's get into it. Alright, so the last one I was doing it wrong. So it's out, in, up. Out, in, up. Yeah. Alright, this one is like a game we used to play when we were kids, or a song. Goes like this. Apart, together. Your floor needs some oil for this one. Alright. Ready? Woo! Take a few second break.
National anthem, a party for the girl them. Not joking, then we gon' drink, smoke and party and rejoice. Lucky gun, me no want a bad vibes. At summertime, everybody feel like pull me cup, pour the liquor on the ice. We gon' drink, smoke and party and rejoice. Lucky gun, me no want a bad vibes. At summertime, everybody feel like pull me cup, pour the liquor on the ice.
When I was a kid riding a bicycle, it was way easier.
She twerking off the ecstasy, she feeling very naughty. She does a bubble up her body, bubble up her body. Girl, they have for everybody. NBA playing the party, smoke and party and rejoice. Lucky gun, me no want a bad vibes. At summertime, everybody feel like pull me cup, pour the liquor on the ice. We gon' drink, smoke and party and rejoice. Lucky gun, me no want a bad vibes. At summertime, everybody feel like.
Last one, my peeps. Just gonna rise up a little. Woo! That's it, my peeps. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, subscribe. Hit the notification button. Like the video. Share the video on your social media. Help me grow the channel. Appreciate it. Until tomorrow, be safe.
Watch me act you down, down. go down.